This video will show you how to replace the front wiper blades on a Pontiac Grand Prix. You'll have two of these, one along each side of the lower aspect of your windshield, and the process will be the same. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Now one thing I want to mention about this, to remove the wiper blade you have to lift the wiper arm, but when you lift the wiper arm, it's going to hit up against the hood unless you have the wiper arms in service mode. What we can do here is just carefully place a rag in between the hood and the arm. We should be able to lift this up high enough that we can continue on with the removal process. Now, as far as these wiper blades are concerned, on my application I do have a locking tab that I have to pry up and away, and then I'll continue on to my secondary locking tab. So for this, I'm just using a small pocket screwdriver. I want to make my way under this area, gently pry it up and away. Now, as far as the secondary locking tab, I have to come on the complete opposite side. This one's fairly difficult to gain access to. If I just continue on with my small pocket screwdriver, I should be able to squeeze in on that and then dislodge this. You can also do it by hand if you can reach inside that area. We're sliding it off the hooked end of the wiper arm. There it is, friend. Now, of course, prior to installing our brand new wiper blade, it's always a good idea to clean and inspect the mounting area. So we'll be making sure that we inspect the wiper arm for any rot. A little bit of rust is okay. Aside from that, it couldn't hurt to clean the window glass as well. For this, I'm just going to use some glass cleaner and a clean rag. That feels good. Keep in mind the wiper arms are under spring pressure, driving them towards the windshield. Don't let the wiper arm hit the glass. It could break it. And now it's time for installation of our brand new wiper blade. Let's look at the area that the wiper arm will slide onto. We need to make sure we have it in the proper orientation. We have the little locking tab over here, which will be facing towards the driver's side of the vehicle. I'm going to take this, I'm bringing it over the hooked end. And now I'm just going to start sliding this into the adapter. While I press it in, I'm listening for an audible click. Once I've heard that, I always like to give it a tug. I want to make sure it does not fall off of there. That would be a bad thing if it fell off while I was driving down the road. We'll rest it against the windshield. And now we can go ahead and remove that rag. Now at this point, the process for one wiper blade is the exact same thing as the other, just as I had mentioned. Once you've completed that, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.